In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control the navigation voice volume on Apple Maps. Many of us rely on Apple Maps for our daily commutes, and ensuring the navigation instructions are at the right volume is key to having a smooth and safe travel experience. Whether you like the volume cranked up or prefer a more subtle sound, adjusting this setting is simple once you know where to go. So let's dive into these easy steps to customize your navigation voice volume. First, we need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. This little app, represented by the gear icon, is your gateway to customizing almost anything on your device. Once you're in the settings menu, find the option labeled apps and give it a tap. This section houses all sorts of preferences for the apps installed on your phone. After you're in the apps section, scroll through the list until you see Maps. This is Apple's built-in mapping application, and tapping on it will take you directly to a menu tailored to navigation and guidance. Sometimes, especially if you have many apps, it can feel like you're hunting for treasure in there, but don't worry, Maps is fairly easy to find. Now, once you're in the map settings, the next step is to tap on Navigation and Guidance. This option will reveal settings specifically for voice directions and how they are delivered while you're on the road. Think of this as your control center for how you interact with Apple Maps during navigation. With the Navigation and Guidance menu open, you'll see options to choose your preferred voice volume. Here you can select from a range of volumes. There's a low volume for environments where you need more ambient awareness, normal volume for everyday use, and loud volume, which is perfect for when you're driving in a noisy area or while you're cruising down the highway with the windows open. Selecting one is as simple as tapping your desired option. Remember, selecting the right voice volume is all about meeting your personal needs and ensuring that the instructions are clear without being overly disruptive. So take a moment to consider when and how you typically use navigation and choose accordingly. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to adjust the navigation voice volume on Apple Maps. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your navigation experience is both convenient and tailored to your liking, helping you reach your destination safely and without any hassle. Thanks for tuning in, and safe travels.